Dare to learn. Learn English actions, short sentences. Here we go. She likes swinging on a swing. She likes swimming in the sea. He likes rock climbing. He likes playing tennis. He likes playing golf. He likes playing football. She likes playing baseball. She likes kickboxing. He likes boxing. He likes skiing. She likes playing badminton. They like learning judo. She likes learning kung fu. He likes canoeing. He likes hiking. He likes playing table tennis. Do you like playing computer games? She likes playing hockey. She likes ice skating. They like dancing. Dare to learn.